both kitties together. Mr. Happy Cat in the back. And they have a new shy friend in the back. I can't remember if this one has a name, but it was in a kennel with, I wonder if those cats maybe got adopted. You're actually fitting in really nicely with them, but you're awfully shy yourself, huh? This is the shy cat apartment. I was trying to pet a Happy Cat with this. I know, huh? Wah! I'm just gonna set this down for a minute, okay? All right. Hi. Right there. I know. See, you even approach Happy Cat. I was able to get some pets in when I had him locked on this other side with me. I know. Hi.